I know that. Can you hear me? Can everybody hear me?
Miss.
Yes, miss.
Sorry about that. Right. So, how was it? We need to go through all the questions, yeah? See where you got problems and what we fix. How was it?
Miss, you see how it looked like, Miss, I used a lot of the power-ups, so I got to go back and do some answers. That's probably why it looked like I got those correct, but I got some wrong at this.
Yeah. Or me?
Excuse me, did you just say something?
Could everybody hear me? No, yes. Oh my gosh.
Miss, I could hear you, but you're just like really low.
Okay, hold on. Technical difficulties. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, miss.
Okay, cool. Right, so I was asking, how was it?
It was
No?
okay.
Okay. What was good about it and what wasn't so great? Like, did you not like the timer? Or there was some questions, just didn't know what to do? Let me know.
Yes, the time thing threw me off a bit.
Okay, that's one person per time. Anybody else?
Yeah, it kind of make you kind of anxious because you know you're on a time span for each question.
Okay. All right. So, okay, we need to put it. Oh. Were there any questions you didn't know what to do? Like at all? You sat down there and you were like, oh my gosh, what am I supposed to be doing? Anything like that happened?
No, miss, for me it was just a lot of silly mistakes.
Things. Okay. Yeah, that's common. Anybody else? All right. So we're gonna have many more quizzes like these. Not on this topic, obviously, but maybe we'll have another quiz with this sometime in the future, but not anytime soon. You'll have more quizzes, right? And okay, so for this quiz, we have Micaiah coming in for this, right? So congrats. Good job. That's all we're doing. Congratulating the person who came first. It's a little friendly competition. The aim, get all correct, get to be first. So good job, Micaiah. 95% up. Cool. So, what questions we had trouble with? Very good. Okay, so third question. What is a completed square form? Can anybody tell me right now? Like, tell me which one. A, B, C, or D?
D.
B. Right, so who got this? Actually, no, don't tell me. Do not tell me who got it. Yes, tell me who got this wrong. Privately, don't say it out loud. So, 3 people chose this one. Can you tell me, okay, this is not the completed square form. What form is this?
That's the general form of the quadratic equation.
This one, we didn't learn it yet, but this is the generally form of a line, a straight line. What equals mx plus c. This one is nonsense. So happy that nobody chose that. This one is the right one, right? On number 11. Oh no, anyways, can anybody tell me what's the answer for this? A, B, C, or D?
C.
C. Why? Why C?
Because the parabola is touching the x-axis at one spot.
So, people who got it wrong, you don't need to answer. You don't need to use your mic. You can private message me. Do you understand why now? Or you need me to write it out? Let me know. It's all about learning from your mistakes and doing better next. So, you understand? Everybody? Yes, no,
Yes, ma'am.
maybe.
Yes,
miss.
All right. Just in case anybody doesn't want to speak up, this is why. He touches at one point, so that means that the discriminant had to be 0. 0. Right. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Right. Okay. Let's see what else. Remember, it's all about learning from your mistakes. And people who made silly mistakes, you know, to be more careful next time. Because in the exam, it wouldn't be as much pressure because each question is time. But you still have a set time to finish. So that could be a little buttering. Right. So this one. Anybody did not know what to do for this one? Oh my God. Anybody did not know what to do for this one? Yes, no, everybody knew what to do, and it was silly mistakes, or you didn't know what to do.
You know what to do next.
Got it wrong, so just right. So this is my first. Identify A, B, and C. Can anybody tell me what's A, what's B, what's C? What's A, what's B, and what's oh my gosh. B.
-9 and C is 4.
Oh my gosh. C is 4. What is the completed square form? Anybody? What's the complete?
In brackets x plus h close brackets plus k.
Squared plus A.
Oh, square plus k. Sorry.
Forget that. It's okay. Right. So now, the next step, find the H and find the K. H, what's the formula for H? What's the formula for H?
B over 2A.
B over 2A. Formula for K?
4AC minus B squared over 4A.
Squared plus a 2. So 4A. Right, so what would I write for H?
A will be 3. C will be 4. Or for H, okay. -9 over 3.
Over 2 times 3. Over 2A. So that's minus 9 over 6. It's 9 and 6. It's equal to 3. Whoa. Hold up. Did I write the wrong thing? All right. Okay. 4. See. If I wrote the wrong quadratic, you know. 4. Wait, no, 4. 3. So what's this? 16 times 3 minus, no, plus 81. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Something's okay. Where did I do that question? Wait, no. I wrote down the wrong quadratic. I think I wrote down the wrong quadratic. People who got this question correct, did you realize something was wrong with it? Like the options? Hello? Hello? Yes? No? Maybe?
This one.
Yes? No? I don't know what you just said. Whoever was speaking.
Unless I said no, I didn't.
Oh, wait, hold on. No. It's minus 128. right? 56 minus 3 on 2. This is the wrong quadratic. This was supposed to be minus x plus, no, minus x squared plus x minus 3. So people who got it right, how did you end up with this answer? That is a mystery. Unless it was quizz's fault. Because I do not
When I
remember
reach a certain point in the work, I just
Yeah, I do not remember writing this quadratic, so where did this come from? Anyways, skip all that, cross that, delete that. Let me show you what it's actually. It's actually a past paper question, so I'll show you that after. Right. Sorry about that. I don't know where that quadratic came from. I do not remember writing that. This was the question. No, this was not the question. What was that question? Oh my lord.
There was another one that had the I think it's chapter. I'm not sure.
All right, I'll fix this one. Don't study that. That was not supposed to be that. Anyways. This one. Given that 3x plus 3 squared plus 9. State the coordinates. Remember the coordinates when having the completed square form. It looks like this. Minus h. K. Can anybody identify? Tell me what's h in this case. This is the completed square form. Tell me which part.
3 is H.
And what's k?
H is negative
Nine.
3 and K is 9.
So the answer is this one. Everybody understands that now?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Nice. All right. Next question I gave her. She didn't get one. This is true. K is equal to 4ac minus b squared on 4a. That is the formula for K. Right? So the person who got it wrong, that's okay. Just learn for next time. Right? Question number 6. Oh gosh, I can't even see that. That was a past paper question. Let me show you the question. It was, which one? It was this one. So yeah, get the quadratic. Now let me go back. So this is the quadratic minus, that's an x, minus x squared plus x minus 3. And then they said that's the function g of x. And they wanted you to write it in a completed square form. Minus x. Right? And anybody wants me to go? Yes, I should. Okay, first step, identify A, B, and C. What's A, what's B, what's C?
A is negative 1,
Negative 1. B.
negative 3.
No,
No,
not
B is
B.
1 and C is negative 3.
Negative. Right. Now what's my next step? Anybody? This, we're doing completed square form. So our aim is this. So after I identify my A, B, and my C, what do I do next?
Final for H.
Which is B onto A. And that is 1.
Over 2 multiplied by negative 1.
So that's minus. And K, you know the formula. 4AC minus B squared on 4A is equal to 4 times minus 1. Let me just write it out. Times minus 1 times minus 3 minus 1 squared all over 4 is minus 1. That's 12 minus 1 minus 4. What's in the world? Oh my. This is supposed to be a minus. So what did I write down? Anyways, that's my mistake again. So this is supposed to be a minus sign. My bad. So everybody understands why it's minus 11 from 4?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
See why it's good to check over? Always check. Right. Seven. Yes, I should do 7. Let's hope I didn't mess up on this one too. Right. So they wanted us to solve the quadratic by completing the square. So first you have to complete the square and get the form. So what I mean by completing the square, I wanted this form. So first I wanted this. Okay, let me go through the whole question. So to get the completed square form, first we need to identify A, B, C first. Actually, we don't even need to do that. That's taking up some time. So A is 1, B is 2, and
And
C
C
is
is negative 15.
right. So on H, we know B on 2A. So what's that? B 2 on 2A 1. Wait, no, 2A 1. And then K 4A C minus B squared. So that's a 4 over 4A. So that's a 4. So what anybody tell me what you got for K? Wait, did you even write it down? Okay, let's not waste time. So anybody got minus 16? Yes, no. Okay, we need to leave and rejoin. Okay.